quick one here covering the radio. So the radio is here, like it does have like a widget as well. So when you come into it, you're gonna see, oh, this is the screen. If you like tap on the screen there, it's gonna like bring up all your numbers. That's basically what you want. If you like touch and hold down, it's gonna like scan. I haven't got an antenna in now, but let's just, I would say like it's like stopped on there. I could like touch and hold on that, and you can see that like station has now been saved. So you can save all of those stations. To change to sort of AM, you just click the top up there, and up to there. If you like come home, we are using like the radio widget here. We do have it on the home screen. It just means you can quickly skip through your other favorites if you wanted to. Again, it's the same as that app. It doesn't really matter which one you are using. And your other buttons up the top here, you probably won't ever use, but obviously that's like the search one. That one's like manual input of the frequency, FM or AM. Obviously switches between FM and for AM. Obviously, so AM can't go into stereo, but you could change the FM between like stereo and obviously like mono, which like no one would ever do. You want to have that on like stereo. Yeah, local, other mono, DX mono, you're never going to use that. And that takes you into the equalizer, which on the majority of cars these are installing isn't going to do much, because that is the installed DSP chip. But like your car's going to have a factory amp that has a DSP already in it. So that covers the radio there.